Welcome back. In this video, we'll look into the Blocklist page. The Blocklist is a powerful tool to help you prevent unwanted or spammy bookings. Here, you can add rules to automatically block submissions. You can block specific keywords, names, email addresses, or even IP addresses. When adding a rule, you simply provide the value to block, its type, and an optional custom rejection message that the user will see if they are blocked. The system uses case-insensitive partial matching. For example, if you add spam ad as a blacklist entry, it will block any booking attempt from an email address like spam@example.com. This gives you flexible and robust control over who can access your booking forms. You can choose to block a name fragment or a custom field value. We usually recommend using custom field value if you want to block off a specific answer in a field. This feature doesn't need to be used only in order to prevent a booking. It can also help your clients put in a proper answer in a field. For example, if you want your clients to put in a model number of a device and they mistakenly always put BCA-G instead of something like A2878, you can block BCA-G. And as a rejection message put in, "Dear client, please correct the input," and instead of BCA-G, put in your correct model number that starts with letter AA. So you can use this blocklist in any way you prefer. You may also search through all your blacklists and delete them if necessary. Please be mindful of IP address blacklisting. Some users now use common and shared IP addresses to book appointments. So make sure if you are blocking off an IP address, you are 100% sure that is the spammy IP address. You can also delete IP addresses that are blocked every once in a while, since some of the IP addresses are dynamic and may block another legit inquiry. When a client books an appointment with you, the IP address is always recorded here in the submissions in the appointment card if you scroll all the way to the bottom of that section.